Okay, here we have the ultimate Husqvarna Viking sewing machine from their all-metal design from the 70s and 80s. This is the 6690. So what this one does is it combines the all-metal gearing, all-metal housing, everything's metal in this, with a computer. This is the first time that they actually did it. This is like an upgrade from the 6570, and it gives you these different A, B, C, D, E patterns that you can slide in here. These are as easy as you just pull to the left, take these out, and then, yeah, put them back in and slide to the side. So it allows you to do all these patterns, super easy. Of course, oops. This still has all the functions of the older ones, such as the reduction gearing by pulling out here, and this engages the reduction gears to give you slower speed and over twice the power to get through thicker fabrics. Like the 6570, this has the needle position adjustment where you can have the needle end in the up position. The neutral position, it just ends wherever you end with the foot pedal, or it'll end in the down position. And obviously an on-off button here. So yeah, this is basically a flawless machine. No cracks in any of the bobbin holders. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to thread it and use it. So pull the thread here, go through this thread guide, down through there, around this guy, over the arm here, around this spiral, around this guide, and then we're going to go through the needle. So I'm going to cut off some slack here. All right. And then pull out some slack. And then for the bobbin, similar thing. So here's our bobbin holder. So you have the thread coming off the top here, and you place it in like this, and then pull the thread up through and around this little guide, and you're good to go. So push it in, and we'll just pick up the thread. There we go. And yeah, we can watch it sew. So I've got some sewing already done here, but I'll show you how it works. So I always keep a fair amount of tension here on the presser foot, and then also on the thread tension here, especially I'm sewing through some heavier duty fabric here. So again, to change the length of the stitch, it can go from basically a 0 point to 0.5 up by 0.5 all the way up to 6, and then you can obviously do a zigzag, and you can change the width right here and the length. I think it goes up to, yeah, it still goes up to 6. So I'm going to keep the reduction gearing on, and we'll just do some straight stitching. So here we'll just start. And then I'll go full speed with the reduction gear. And let's change it to a zigzag. So here we go, zigzag. And let's change it to the widest zigzag. Cool. And let's get it to always stop in the up position, and then we'll change it to this zigzag here, and yeah, 1.5 is okay. It's just a beautiful machine. There you go. So I went off the foot pedal and it always stops in the up position. And then I've been doing this kind of eyebrow pattern, and I've been doing it at about 1. So yeah, we can watch it do that. Stops in the up position, and we'll push this in. You can see full speed. Yeah, it's really fast. There we go. Up position again. I usually just sew in reduction gear. There we go. Yeah, so this machine's a beast. Has all the patterns. Sews amazing. You're not going to find another one in this condition. With the accessories, it comes with this table. And I guess I can show you how to put that on. So let me cut this. Cut this thread. So this table is cool. It's got this fold out piece, and then to engage it on the side, there's this spring lever. So when you put it over, you pull right here on that spring lever and it locks into this pin right here. Yeah, so you have the full table. And obviously this is the feed dog drop, so push this in to drop the feed dogs to get fabric out, or if you don't need them, and then push it up to release. And that's basically this machine. It's going to be going up on eBay. I really thought that I wanted to keep this forever, but I'm not using it, so just need to pass it on to someone who will use it and appreciate this beast of a machine. They don't make them like this anymore, so yeah, enjoy.